Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to delete or deactivate your Facebook account on an Android device. So the first thing we do is go to our app library and select Facebook, open Facebook up. And then what we do is go to the top right corner and select the three bars. And we scroll down and select settings and privacy. Then select settings. And in the settings page, we will select in the account center, see more in account center. In the account center page, what we will do is select manage accounts. And in the manage accounts page, what we will select is account ownership and control. And then here's the option, deactivation or deletion. We will select that. And here is the deactivation or deletion page. We will select the account we will be deactivating. And here we are. You can deactivate the account or delete the account. So we will select deactivate account and select continue. Next, we will see what we will lose when we deactivate. Facebook will tell us what we lose. Our friends are posting photos. We'll tap on continue. And then we will enter our password. Enter your password when you reach the stage. And in the next page, Facebook will ask you the reason for why you're deactivating. You choose one and select continue. And then Facebook will try to explain what will happen when you deactivate. So you can see this page and read it. Specifically, when you're deactivating, tap on this button and select the period of time you want to deactivate for. If you don't want to reactivate automatically, select this option. For me, I want it to be deactivated for 7 days and then select continue. And then you're in the final page. On this page, you can just tap on deactivate my account and your account will be deactivated. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.